just in. Congress MP Imran Masood has sparked sharp reactions with his remarks on Mr. Savarkar now while responding to the recent comments made by the RSS chief Mohan Bhagwat. Mr. Masood questioned the very idea of honouring Veer Savarkar with the Bharat Ratna, making a provocative claim that the award, if given, would be for dividing India. Just listen in to the latest remarks coming in from the Congress MP.
कौन सी खूबी के लिए भारत को और पाकिस्तान का बंटवारा कराने के लिए कि उन्होंने पहले देश के अंदर द्विराष्ट्र की जो परिभाषा दी थी वो पहले सावरकर साहब ने दी थी। हिंदुस्तान पाकिस्तान का बंटवारा कराने की जो नींव रखी थी वो उन्होंने रखी थी।
A provocative claim coming in. Radhika is here to break down the latest responses for us. Radhika, considering what the Congress has said, has the RSS or BJP responded yet to Imran Masood's remarks?
Yet to get any sort of counter response to what the Congress has said. All of this happening post RSS remark, post Mohan Bhagwat stating that Veer Savarkar must be Ratna, the honor of Bharat Ratna, the prestigious award, will be with this prestigious award is something Mohan Bhagwat has said yesterday, which had escalated into war of words, with the Congress strongly objecting to it. Not just Imran Masood, but Pawan Khera and several within the Congress party are reacting to it, stating that if Savarkar is honoured with this award, then it is an insult to the actual people movement, and that it is dangerous to the democracy, something that the Congress had been pointing out, and Imran Masood also very strongly reacting. However, we reacted a state they had not really chosen this, nor had they moved any sort of petition or plea for him to get that award, but he deserves it, is something his family members had said. This had been a moot point, a sticking point between the BJP, RSS as well as the Congress for the longest time, with the RSS feeling that Veer Savarkar was worthy of this prestigious award. However, the Congress feeling that he is unworthy of it.